Blame it on the rain. Yeah, yeah, right. Blame it on the stars that shine at night. But whatever. Whoa! Hey, Adam, what are you doing?
Well, I heard you singing and I kind of liked it, so I was just seeing what you were singing.
I'm a little blue today.
Actually, you look kind of green.
That's a dad joke. That's not even that funny.
I'm sorry. I'll work on my material. Well, why are you sad? What's going on? You're feeling blue or sad?
I was looking outside and it's so rainy out. I got all these drips on my feathers and I just don't like it. I got pretty colors and I don't want them to get all soaky.
Oh, getting soaky. Well, a part of what you do when you see a friend struggling is you kind of reach out. So how can I help, buddy? What would help?
I think I need to talk today about what I do when I have strong feelings.
Strong feelings? Okay, let's talk.
Well, I had this feeling the other day and it was like...
Where was this sound that was going burgly blah?
No. It was down here. Blah, 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 blah.
Oh, like in your stomach. That's what it was.
Yeah. What does that mean?
Well, honestly, when I get that feeling, it kind of means I'm hungry.
Oh, well, no wonder why. I ate like 4 different types of bird seed after it was done. I didn't know what was going on. I just knew I heard the gurgles.
Oh, okay. Well, that's a good sign. You kind of need to know what's going on. How about when you're sad, like you were talking about? What would help you? What would help you so that I can know that you're sad?
Well, for me, I get a little flappy.
Flappy. What does flappy mean?
Well, I get a little frustrated and I start to reach out with my wings and go.
Whoa. Can you explain that a little more?
Oh yeah, I'll do it again. You go.
That was quite the strong little wing you kind of nailed me with. Okay, flappy.
Well, I just get frustrated.
Oh, frustrated. Thank you for explaining that to me. Sometimes it's not always easy to get it right away. So, okay, you're frustrated, and when you do, you flap your wings.
Yeah, like that. I'm like,
Yep, I gave you more room to do it that time. When I'm frustrated, I kind of do grumble too. I'll make like,
oh, you're kind of scaring me with those noises.
Sorry, that was just me pretending.
Oh, okay, you can do it for real.
Thank you for trying to imitate me.
I'm a bird. I can imitate anybody.
I'm proud of that. Okay. So yeah, I kind of agree. I do make some noises when I feel frustrated too.
Yeah, and then some people, when they're sad, they go like this.
Oh, you are literally just like pulling inside yourself. Can you do that one more time just to show the kids over there? Maybe they'll help them so they can know that too.
Yeah, you go like this. Oh, so sad. Feelings, nothing more than feelings.
My buddy. Okay. When you do that, you want to sing when you're sad and you droop your head. Those are 2 really good signs for me to notice. Thank you.
Yeah, and there's one more thing I want you to know.
What's that?
I need a hug.
What?
Yeah, sometimes when I'm sad, I even need a hug.
You know what? That's okay to do. Well, do you need one right now?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Guess what? Can I give you a hug?
Yeah, thanks for asking.
Hi, buddy.
Thank you. I needed that.
It's probably good enough, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I needed. So when I'm sad, listen to me and notice my droopy head like this. Burp and burp and burp.
Well, what happens if you're like cleaning stuff off there and am I supposed to mistake that for sad?
No, that just means I'm the dirty eater. Sometimes I eat so much birdseed it just goes all over the place.
Okay. But other times when you're sad, you'll put your head down and I'll notice. Thank you for telling me that. Petri, I really hope it stops raining.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the sun to come out and just get a little bit shinier.
I hear you. I want the sun to come out for you too. All right, thanks for telling me about your feelings. And thanks for telling me where you're at. Okay.
I'm going to keep singing. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Feelings, nothing more than feelings.
That was really nice. I'm sure the kids appreciated that.
You're welcome.